Meet Alex and Jamie. They're a young couple struggling to make ends meet in their tiny apartment.
Jamie, how are we going to pay all these bills? We can barely afford groceries.
I know, Alex. I feel like we're stuck in this endless cycle.
They face constant financial struggles, working low-paying jobs and living paycheck to paycheck. Alex and Jamie sitting together, brainstorming ideas.
What if we started our own business? Everyone loves your homemade cookies.
But we don't have much money to invest.
We can start small, from our kitchen. This idea sparked hope. They decided to take a risk and start a small baking business from home. Alex and Jamie baking in their kitchen and delivering their first orders.
We got our first order.
Let's make it the best batch of cookies ever.
They poured their heart into the business, working late nights and weekends, slowly gaining customers. 1 year later, through hard work and determination, their small business grew. They expanded their kitchen and hired a few employees.
Look, Alex, we just got an order for a big corporate event.
I can't believe how far we've come. We turned our struggles into something amazing.
Their success wasn't just measured in profits, but in the lessons learned and the bond they strengthened through adversity.
We did it, Alex. From zero to hero, together.
This is just the beginning.
Alex and Jamie's story is a testament to the power of perseverance and the belief that with hard work, dreams can come true.